Hello everyone, welcome to the Test Matrix. So guys, from this video we are going to start our statistics playlist. So our first video will be on our mean, median and mode. So we will see one by one what is our mean, what is our median and what is our mode. So first of all, let's see what is our mean. So the mean is the average or the most common value in a collection of numbers. So let's see the formula of this, how we can calculate. So formula is very easy. It is the summation of xi. It will start from our first data point, and it will go our and it will take summation of our all the data points. That's why we have something known as n over there. And now what is the meaning of x and n? So x is the data points that we are going to take one by one, and we will try to take a sum of that. Now what is n? N is a number of data points. It is a number of data points. Now let's take a question and let's try to find out what is exactly mean. So suppose we have all the values over there, right? Suppose this is the data sets we have. So then how we can calculate mean? So we know that we have a summation of xi upon n, and xi will go through xy equals to 1 and till n. So what we'll do, first of all, we will take the summation of all the data points like 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13, right? And now what is n? N is the number of data points. So you can see over there we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have total 6 number of elements. We have 6 number of elements. That's why we will try to divide it by 6. So let's see how we have done this. We can see over there our n will be 6 first, then we can see 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 3 divided by 6. So you can see over there the addition of all the elements, the addition of all the data points will be 46, and simply we have to divide with the help of 6. And what is 6? 6 is the number of data points. Now after that we will get a value 7.66. Let's see what is exactly median, right? So median is a middle number on a sorted data sets. Now sorted means whatever you have as your data, it should be on your ascending order. First of all, you have to arrange your data points in a ascending order. So let's see what are the steps of that. So step 1, your data point should be in ascending order. Now the step 2, if the total number of elements are odd, then your middle value will be median. Simple, right? Now what if our total number of elements are even? For that you can see over there, we will try to take the average of between two data points. That will be our median. Now what is the meaning of that? We will try to understand with the help of example. So let's take a question over there like 1, 8, 2, 10, 12, 13. Right? So according to step 1, we will try to take the ascending order of these data points. Like it will be 1, 2, then it will be 8, then 10, then 12, then 13, right? Now you can see over there the total number of elements are 6, which is even, right? So what we will do, we will see what are the middle two elements. You know what is the meaning of that? 8, 10, 12, 13, right? So we can see over there these are the two elements, right? These are the two middle elements that we have. These are the two middle elements we have. So what we can do? We will try to take the average of that. 8 plus 10 divided by 2. You can see over there it will be around 9. So our mode will be 9 in that case. Simple. Now suppose we have a odd number of elements. In that case what we will do? Let's say we have only this type of numbers. Right? So in that case our n will be 5 and it is odd. So in that case, what we'll do, we can see over there 1, 2, 8, 10, 12. In that case, we will try to see what is the middle element. Now see 8 is the middle element. So in that case, our mode will be 8. Right? Let's see how we have done that. We have followed our step 1. The number of data points are 6. What we will do, 8 and 6 are the middle elements. We will try to take the average of that and our mode will be 9. This is all about our mode. Sorry, median. Now let's see what is exactly mode. Okay, so it should be median over there. That was my mistake. It should be median. That is not a mode, it is median. Now let's see what is exactly mode, right? So mode is the value which is repeatedly occurring in the given set. Now what is the meaning of that, right? Suppose we have a data sets, that how we can find out what is mode. 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, or you can say 8, then again 5, then 6. In that case, if someone will ask you what is exactly mode, right? So in that case, what you can do, just try to see how many times 1 is repeated. Only one time, right? How many times 2 is repeated? So 2 is repeated 2 times. How many times 3 is repeated? Only one time. How many times 5 is repeated? So 5 is repeated 3 times, right? So 6 only one time, 8 only one time. Only one time. So you can see over there the maximum number that we have repeated, we have 5. So our mode will be 5 in that case. Simple. So this is all about this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So much.